How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So let me give you a few notes on changing your rear brake pads on your Mini Clubman, from what I had to do, learn the hard way, but to successfully do it in the end. So as a safety precaution, I've got my own ramps and I've jacked the wheel up, and I've had to put it into first gear, which stops it rolling forwards, and also had to release the parking brake, because if you don't release the parking brake, you're not going to be able to get the calipers off. But you only need the entertainment system on, but not the engine, if that makes sense. So let's get into it. Right, so I'm always learning with these cars and everything else on brake pads. So because this Mini Clubman has an electronic motor, it kind of stops the rear brake from going. So what I've done, I've raised it and I've left it on, but I've took the parking brake off and locked it into first gear. So I'm hoping that will unseize the brake caliper and then it'll come straight off, and then I can change them, push the pins back and do it that way. See how it goes. By using a flat-headed screwdriver, you want to remove the retaining clip. Next, you want to remove the caps on the back of the caliper and use a 7mm Allen key to remove the bolts. Just for future reference, if you're going to change the rear brake pads, also change the rear brake pad sensor as well, as I found I had to go to the shop and go grab a new one as my brake pad sensor wasn't working, which is a little clip that holds it in. Got all that off. You've got the little clip that holds in there and that comes off with it. Alright, so it might be hard to see. On here it's got a couple of pins and you need a kit like this. So that will screw it back into the motor or the system, and then I can put the new pads on and put it back together. Right, there we have it. So I'm going to do the other side, and then once I've dropped it down, I'm going to go over and retighten all the nuts again. That's because then it'll be set on the ground. So, okay. Right. Straight on, and then hopefully hold it 10 seconds. Reset. Yes.